What is the best indicator on a planet that can turn $1,000 into 1 million? I think many of you ask this question, and in this video you're going to learn about Greenwich trading system that exactly predict bottom and high of Bitcoin, where for you it is the best time to buy and sell. That's why in this video you'll learn what is about this trading system, how much you can earn on it, and how it works. Greenwich trading system, what is it? It is a special system that we created with our team. We spent more than 1 year on this system, and it is a special algorithm that based on different metrics. What do the symbols means of this indicator? First one, we have green diamonds. It is a zone of fundamental value. It is the most important zone on Bitcoin because it is the best time to buy Bitcoin. And also another part, it is overbought zone. It is the time when it is so important to think about closing and booking your profits. That's why when you open Greenwich, you can see these two parts, red diamonds and green diamonds. Red diamonds, it is best place to sell. Green diamonds, best places to buy. Also, we have blue areas. It is the best places where you can open futures positions to make more Bitcoins if you bought Bitcoins during green diamonds. Let me explain to all of you about all of this. How to use and how you can earn by using Greenwich. The Greenwich system includes two main ways how you can make money and one additional. First one, the most profitable way. Second, it is less profitable but permanently way. And another one, additional one, it is the best way to buy altcoins before out season. The first way, it is to buy Bitcoins during these green diamonds. I think you notice that Bitcoin moves by cycle. And if you take a look on the chart, we will see that Greenwich system perfectly determine places where you can buy Bitcoin. How it works, the structure of Greenwich. Greenwich will show you a trade idea when Bitcoin drop into fundamental value. After that green diamond appears, you buy Bitcoin by using your stable coins. After that, blue area appears. It is another system based on this indicator. It shows to you areas where you can buy open long trades on futures. And when red diamond appears, it is the time when you sell all your Bitcoins and altcoins. Let's have a look on examples how much you would make money if you would have only $1,000. First one, have a look. 2019 Bitcoin dropping into fundamental value and green diamond appears. And let's calculate this example. We buy Bitcoin for $1,000. Price of Bitcoin at that time was 3,200, and we bought 0.31 Bitcoins. After that, after a few weeks, remember it is a weekly chart, that means it takes time. On a futures, we open a position with leverage 1x at price 5,300. That means on the futures, you have option to make more Bitcoins or to make more stable coins. And we open long where we make more Bitcoins. After that, Bitcoin rise by 80%. It rose even bigger. It was more than 100%. Price made pullback. Blue area stopped. And it is a time for us to get out from position when weekly candle closed. And let's calculate our profit. Profit was 80%. That means at the beginning we bought 0.31 Bitcoins. 80% it is 0.25 Bitcoins. We add this number to this number, and as a result we have more Bitcoins. But remember, friends, result, not only we have more Bitcoins, we also price of Bitcoin increased because we bought our 0.31 at 3,200, but at that time price was 9,000. Let's go, and after that another deal, minus 6%. Sometimes losses happens, it is trading, it is part of this business. Let's calculate this deal. Minus 6%, balance minus this one. At the result we have 0.53. After that, have a look. For some period of time there was no trades, and Bitcoin again dropped into fundamental value, and again appeared signals for long. It is the best time to add more Bitcoins if you have free cash. After that, after some period of time, new buy signal appeared, plus 5.11. Let's calculate result. You can see all that result. After that you can use calculator. 297%. This trade amazing, maybe one of the best trade. 297% of 0.56 Bitcoins, it is 166, and we add this 166 to this number. As a result, 2.22. After that, another trade, 9.5%, 9.5% plus 2.22, this result. And the red diamond appeared on the chart at 56,000. And it is a time when we sell our Bitcoin and sell our altcoins. And just have a look on this example. We sum up. We invested only $1,000, open only 5 trades, and we turn it into 133,000 because we started with 0.31 Bitcoin. After that we made more Bitcoins, and price of Bitcoin increased from 3,200 to 56. That's how we made this amazing result. More information on this chart. It is more information about our chart balance. Statistic for 2016-2017 period, it was a time when if you would use this system, you would make 1,200,000 from $1,000. Imagine, from 1,000. It is enough money to retire and buy some house in Thailand or another really beautiful place. Second wave, how you can make money on Greenwich, it is by using blue signals. It is a special algorithm because sometimes like green diamonds, they appear once per year, once per 2 years, and you can miss it. Blue areas, they appear much often. And have a look here. If we would take only these 2 trades with double leverage, profit would be 300% of profit. And because it would be a leverage, our profit would be 600%. How to buy and sell altcoins? It is an additional way how you can use Greenwich. Have a look. During this fundamental value of Bitcoin, when green diamond appears, it's also a best time to buy altcoins. And let's measure and let's have a look on the example. If you would buy altcoins last time when fundamental value on Bitcoin reached fundamental value. BNB. If you would buy BNB here, it was $5, and after that BNB rose to 250. 6,000%. ADA from 2 cents to $1.20. 4,680%. Dogecoin 0.000 and up to 30 cents, 31 cents. 19,000%. As you can see, Greenwich, it is best maybe trading strategy on the planet. Who is Greenwich for? First, it is for beginners because you don't need to study charts for several years. You need to know how to use platform, how to calculate volume, and that's it. For traders, because it predicts to you best areas to enter the market, enter position on stable, buy altcoins and get out from trading. For investors, for those of you that would like to build a stable portfolio that add your system. And for entrepreneurs, because if you value your time, you don't need to sit at PC for many hours. You just follow this system that can show to you few signals per year that make to you a lot of money. Friends, trading is not a sprint, trading is a marathon. That's why if you want to get more information about Greenwich, write there, book a call, and my team will send you all information. Thank you for watching. Take care.